If you're experiencing login errors on Robinhood, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed. Go to your device's App Store, search for Robinhood, and update if necessary. Step 3. Reset your password. If you're having trouble logging in, consider resetting your password. Use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to receive a password reset link via email. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using the app, clearing the cache can help resolve login issues. Go to your device settings, find the Robinhood app, and select the option to clear cache. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your login issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors you encounter on Robinhood. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.